Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You guys can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. What's up, everyone? Hopefully, you guys are feeling good. And right now, we are getting a little bit of a push to the downside here on these markets. I'm ready for it. Just trying to get a couple things squared away here. Unfortunately, our P&L is all over the place here. I don't know what is up with this. I don't know why it moved. This is very strange. What the heck is that?
Good morning, everyone.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Oh my gosh, almost went into a tree.
Okay, let me see this. Yeah, I don't know what is going on here with this. I don't know how this moves on me. Alright, that's better. Hopefully that's not what's happening on the other ones as well.
Am I gonna go on BTC? No, STC.
Yeah, go on that one.
Okay.
Let me make sure everything's good here. This is also messed up.
Yeah, this tablet's slow. Do you guys ever make noises to yourselves? Just to kill the silence? What in the world? Oh. There we go.
Okay, I think that's better.
I'd at this point get a desktop. At this point.
All right, Johnny had a little bit of a long. He might get stopped here. Maybe he might not. Who knows? He had a long on. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on. Market's open, guys. Got markets open. Let's see what happens here.
Oh, okay, it's what?
Good morning to everyone here on the chat. Good morning to Joey, Joni, Patty, Safe, Greg, Awetas, Mo. What's up, bro? How you doing? Everyone except for Joey says, "Bro."
Can you
That's fine.
Put me on to where you have all that? Because I can't see what you're seeing. Yeah.
What do you mean?
All I see is Greg.
Oh, yeah. So you're
Awetas.
gonna need this other thing. It's called social.
That's the website.
It's called social.
Social anxiety. Just kidding.
Social anxiety. Social Stream Ninja. Wow, Johnny. Well, Johnny might get a second chance here. Yeah. How do you download it with what? There's one for Mac. All right, let's see what the market wants to do here. Market is looking for possible tap of that VWAP. Johnny's got a target up at 760. We'll see if maybe that's somewhere logically where she may want to go. What's up, man?
Yeah, things are so much more expensive.
You got it?
No.
Oh.
Here. Am I supposed to download this one?
Can you see what kind you have here? Let me just see what about this computer.
About this one.
Let's see what you got. Intel. You got Intel. So you gotta go with the Intel one. You gotta go with the Intel one. Yeah, that one. What's up, Paul? Good morning to you. Good morning, traders. A woman trader walks into a bar. Bartender says, "The market's crashing." She replies, "Good. I've been meaning to buy the dip and some new shoes." I'm trying to get that one. Yeah, I'm trying to understand. A woman bartender walks into a bar. A woman trader walks into a bar. Bartender says, "The market's crashing." And she replies, bartender says, "The market's crashing." Okay. And then, "I've been meaning to buy the dip and some new shoes." I don't get it. Explain that one to me. No, buy the dip is, I mean, you buy it when the market goes down. That's understandable. But What does it mean to buy new shoes? I don't know. That's a good one. All right, market's pushing right back down. What a tease here this morning. She's gonna try to wreck little Johnny here. What a teaser. Women like shopping and bargains. Okay, yeah. Women. It depends what women. Some women don't care about the bargains. Women just care about the item. All right, yeah. All right, we've got the ES looking for higher. NQ right here is dipping down, so they're kind of on a different path. And she's taking little Johnny out to the pasture. For the lady traders watching, is that true? Do you guys like cheap shoes or bargains on shoes, or do you guys just buy them no matter what price?
I mean, I like cheap shoes.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. Everybody likes a bargain.
Yeah. I mean, they go in the same place. The ground, and the ground has spit, nasty bacteria, dog pee, poop. It's just too much to think about.
My wife bought... Go ahead.
Go ahead, sorry.
Go ahead, finish.
I just hope that no one takes that like, oh, that might... Because Catalina yesterday, I was talking to her about something, and she's like, my ears.
Yeah. My wife has bought me expensive sneakers, and I refuse to wear them because I don't want to get them dirty.
Got you the
expensive Jordans and stuff, and I don't wear them because I just
like
don't want to get them dirty.
Because I'm not gonna lie, I would not buy anybody else expensive shoes like that.
Of course you wouldn't.
So, I just feel like you're worth it, and I feel like you would take care of them, especially you.
Yeah, I'm taking such good care of them, and I haven't even worn them yet.
Exactly. We like shoes, bargain or not. I mean, I would love to buy expensive shoes, but my conscience is like, chill, biscuit, chill.
Yeah. Not today.
Patty's like, not mine.
We like shoes, bargains or not, says Buffy the baker. Mo says, these boots are made for walking. That's a good song.
These boots are made for walking.
Yeah, my music teacher played that song for me many decades ago. And we were like, what the heck is this? Boots McCarthy. Who is this person? She loved that song. She's like, these boots were made for walking, and that's what they gonna do.
Okay.
You don't know about that. You were still in Colombia when that song came out.
Oh, okay. I was where?
In Colombia.
Babe, I've never been to Colombia.
Oh man, come on, Inky. What are we doing here? It looks like we're making a tumble.
Yeah.
Taking a little bit of a tumble here to the downside. Get ready for a trade if I say something to you.
Okay.
Yeah, the way they moved this morning, real dirty. Stopping out longs and shorts. First he stopped out the shorts, then he stopped out the longs. Very dirty, Inky. Very dirty. Sometimes you call her Dominican, sometimes you call her Colombian. Isn't it all the same thing? I'm just kidding.
No.
It's very different. Puerto Ricans and Dominicans are the same thing. And Haitians. Those are the same ones. All right, she's looking at me like she's going to come.
Babe, you're looking like you're sleeping on the couch.
No. Sad day for United States last night.
He's calling me Colombian, and then he's saying that, I'm not saying that I don't like Puerto Ricans. I like anyone. It's just, you can't I'm sick and tired of being compared to Puerto Ricans, because we're different. I don't get how they think we're similar. We're different.
Yeah, very different.
That's what I'm saying. We're different. But Lewis keeps making fun of us saying like, oh, Puerto Ricans and Dominicans are the same. No, we're not.
I said Dominicans and Haitians are the same. That's what I've said.
You're saying we are? Patty's saying we're the same.
That's
are
hilarious.
you for real? I can't with it. It's similar, but I feel like they stole it from us. Let's try Puerto Rican come at me. There's similarities. It's just the way they talk. I feel like they talk like they're from New York. Like, you get what I'm saying?
They're from the Bronx, like Jenny from the block.
Yeah, because Pam talks like she's from New
Them
York.
damn Puerto Ricans, says Joey.
Actually, no, she doesn't. What am I talking about? But I've met others that talk like if they're from New York.
Yeah.
Because Jennifer Lopez, she's Puerto Rican, but she talks. Well, no, but she was from the Bronx. What am I talking about?
Yeah, Jenny's from the Bronx. The South Bronx, to be exact.
The side Bronx.
No, the South Bronx.
The South Bronx.
South Bronx, South. It's like a section of the Bronx.
Who said that? Joey said them damn Puerto Ricans.
What happened? Oh yeah, Joey's them damn Puerto Ricans.
Joey said them damn Puerto Ricans.
The SpaceX begins trading as part of the Nasdaq 100 at the opening bell July 7th. This is today. This could trigger billions of dollars of passive fund buying. Oh, well, that's awesome. I didn't know that. I didn't know it was today. I didn't know today was the day. I know it was coming up soon. I didn't know it was today. So Elon Musk company, SpaceX, babe, is Elon Musk's space exploration company called SpaceX. It went into the stock market recently, a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
And now it's being introduced into the Nasdaq today. So the Nasdaq should have some very good moves today.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Oh, when we went to Texas, we went and drove.
You might go long here, okay? Pay attention. You might go long here.
We drove to the Tesla headquarters.
Yeah, we went through the Gigafactory.
Huge.
Yeah, we went Gigafactory.
I swear they had like their own town.
Yeah.
Oh, we might go long, Patty. But it was really big. It was really nice. Oh. Wait, what? Okay.
I'll let you know in a moment. It might be a red day today.
A red? Oh,
yeah.
We might go short instead.
Yeah, well, not right now.
Do you know how to do it or no? You gotta show
SpaceX is gonna destroy it. NQ is messed up, says Joey.
No,
Sad all North American teams are out of the World Cup. Yeah, that sucks.
Go back to your.
U.S. was playing pretty good too. I think they just got real nervous. They played real nervous yesterday.
No. Go to the trade. What is it called?
Okay.
I think it's Tradeify.
Lucid? What are you talking about?
No, she has to open an account.
Okay.
Yeah, Tradeify.com. Or Trading View? There you go, Lucid Trading.
These longs are looking decent, but just give it a second here. These longs might be all right. Just worried about this red wave. I feel like the shorts are really gonna come through today. I feel like the shorts are really gonna try to come through today.
I think I'm losing my mind. Is that like a commercial? There's a reward that they're giving Patty. Does she just claim it?
On Lucid?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good discount. It's a really. How much is she getting?
I don't know.
Oh, let her open a loot box and then she'll probably get a really inexpensive eval with it.
Cool.
Do we have any news today? I don't think so, right? Today, Tuesday, there's no news today at all.
And then don't forget to put smooth.
Except for the
Try and see if Lewis's thing works too.
SpaceX. I don't think you can use both. I think you can only use the one they gave you.
Try it because you don't know.
Yeah.
Oh no! Wait, did it take the other one out?
Yeah, you gotta use one or the other.
Never mind. Just
use the other one as a bigger discount.
Oh, okay. It already applied it still. That's good. Yay.
Guys, don't forget to claim your loot boxes over on Lucid. I think I got 50% off an eval on mine. I haven't claimed it yet, but people are claiming them. I think you can get some people are getting 80%, 90%. It's just a roll of the dice from what you might get. How is SpaceX actually making money other than Starlink? Well, it's really not, but I think they're gonna start doing some roll of the AI into XAI into SpaceX, I think, or stuff like that. But they're not making money yet either. There's a lot of future plans for monetization with them. That's what you're paying for. You're paying for the potential upside in the future. But it is not a very profitable company just yet. Loot boxes apply to only one transaction, right? Not multiple? Yeah, I think you can only use it for one transaction. SpaceX is just hype. I don't know. I mean, we don't know the future. No one can predict the future. I think right now it's hype, but in the future, space exploration and space logistics might be a very, very lucrative thing. And well, I mean, already is very niche, which is good for a business. You want to have a what they call a moat around your business, where it can't just be replicated by just anybody. So he's got that. He's got decades of head start on most companies. So there could be something there. And hey, everybody thought that, online shopping was crazy. Everybody thought the internet was crazy. Everybody thought that a lot of things that probably wouldn't make any sense. Electric cars and all that stuff has done pretty well. So we just don't know. All right, she is pushing up a little bit, trying to go higher. Not really liking the move right now. It's kind of choppy. Yeah, who knows what's possible in the future. I took 50% with your link on a 50K flex last week, getting close to 52 in 4 days. Nice job, Antonio. Killing it, brother. You have one contract on, babe? Is that what you're trading with?
Yeah.
Okay. Bitcoin was hype, says Lafta, and if the price of the stock is doing well, then it's not hype. So Bitcoin was hype. Made Trump over 2 billion. Did Bitcoin make Trump over 2 billion, or SpaceX did? Which one are you referring to? Might get him another push to the downside here. This is a little choppy right now. Go short here, babe.
Go short.
Yeah, go short here.
Short, Patty.
Put your stop at Put your stop at that last wick high right there at 606.
606 for stop.
And put your TP underneath that last low there at 492.
492 for
TP.
For TP. Yeah.
Let's see if they're gonna push down here, or if they're gonna. See if they can get you a nice little push down. Yeah. Bastards. That they're setting up a trap. This thing, 2 minutes later.
Come on, man.
What could their targets possibly be? We already took out the overnight low. ES hasn't done it yet, though. Is Johnny in any trades?
Go.
Johnny's in a long on gold. He's in a long on gold. He just took a long on Bitcoin. I think he might have taken profits on that already.
Come on. Go, Johnny, go, go. Oh man, I know you're gonna pass that.
She playing with you?
Get it over with. Get it over with. Move on. Joy says, I command you to short.
I command you to go down.
Exactly. Down. Come on, you big dummy. Come on, Dodo. Is there a character called Dodo?
Dodo?
I feel like there's something called Dodo.
I think it's an extinct species
Is
of
it from Pokemon?
bird.
Probably a bird, okay.
Close it, babe. Just take your profits.
No, take the profit, Patty. Take the
Just
profit.
take your profit.
Confarn it. I'll be mad if it all goes.
It'll dump here.
Down.
It'll dump here, but it's just looking like it's real.
Yeah. All right.
Real trappy.
And there it goes.
Got it? Yeah. At least you made something on it.
Yeah, it is what it is. Next one. I made 12, so. Patty's like, I made $17. I'm about to buy myself a pair of shoes.
There you go.
Amen.
I pay less. Did you make anything, Ben?
Is it? Huh?
Did you
Yeah,
make
12.
12?
I was gonna say, yeah.
Really?
I remember.
Where did you guys
being-
enter?
Huh?
Where was your entry?
When you told us to enter.
Oh, I'm asking you the number.
Oh, when did I enter? Entered at 5:29.
529?
I think so.
Oh wow, so that was a late entry. That's all good.
Yeah. Or 5:35?
Yeah, that's alright.
No,
Well,
I'm confused.
Find a better one.
In the 5:30s or 5:20 something, I don't know. Oh, okay. Oy. Oh no, 5:36 is where I entered.
Okay.
Okay. And 5:29 is when I did it. The close button.
I hope we don't end up getting price action like we did yesterday. Yesterday's PA was horrible. Starting from 11 o'clock, it was just like nothing but slow moving chop and fake outs.
I feel like Luna, whenever she moves, and she's like making those noises that like old people make when they get up from somewhere. Not funny at all.
She's still going.
Don't, baby, don't. Who? Talking to me? Oh.
Oil's ripping to the upside right now. Is anybody having issues with TradeRate right now? Not showing bars on the screen? I've been having that issue all day. Do you guys not see your bars on your screen? Like your candles? Can you see your candles on your chart? Because I can't see my candles on my chart at all.
Print something real quick.
Yeah, the center line's moving, but I don't see any. Depends on which prop firm. I mean, for some, I'm seeing them. Then it goes away. Okay, now we're back. Now we're back.
Pásame lo que printió. Gracias. Thank you.
So the shorts were the move this morning, but man, was that also choppy?
Yeah, no worries.
I'll keep my focus here on, this is Johnny's gold trade that he's on right now. He did good overnight. He made $600 overnight on gold. He's in a gold long right now. Let's see if he makes any money with that. Oh wow, Mo went short. That's crazy, Mo. I've never heard you go short before. Put a TP at 400 and stop at 600. It says, Joey. All right, Joey, you're in this too, huh? Good job, man. Good job. I'll let you know, babe, if we see any more trades, okay?
Okay.
Anybody else short right now? Or are you guys looking for longs? I know Rumo likes to go short. I don't know if Rumo's here. Guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting those likes, we got almost 50 people here. Let's see if we can get those likes up. We'll be doing a Swing Trader Concepts indicator giveaway if you guys get us over 50 likes today. Let's see what the market wants to do here.
I have a question.
Yeah, babe.
Am I supposed to put your name here?
As the person picking up the person?
It says home or name of destination. That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, home, address, or where you're going to be going with the child.
The blank. Everything else is filled out. Doesn't make sense.
you're not supposed to fill this part out. You think you're supposed to fill this part out.
It says release from team travel.
Mm-hmm.
So then don't
Oh,
fill
wait,
it
hold
out?
on.
Should I just put your name?
Okay, no, that's fine. Just put our home address in.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, let's see. She's getting a little bit of a bounce here. For whatever reason, would she want to bounce here? You guys think? She's looks like the ES is sweeping some liquidity here. Oil is ripping. Let's take a quick look at all of that right now. We did take out the overnight low here on ES. She is taking out the overnight low. Let's see if that affects the NQ move back up possibly. All right, let's take a look at the heat map right now, see who's winning and losing. We've got Nvidia down pretty big, 1.5. Chip sector again red, Apple down. Google, Microsoft, Meta are up slightly here. Meta's up 2%, Microsoft almost 2, Amazon 1.3, Tesla's down a little. Okay, so a mixed bag here in the tech sector. See where the mags want to go. Mags right now just kind of going sideways from the open. SpaceX introduced into the Nasdaq today. Did have a bullish anticipation, but they sold off pretty heavy. We got NQ kind of going sideways right now. Possibly going to head down.
I did it wrong.
What do we got with Bitcoin? Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's got a mixed bag as well. There's some bullish arguments to be made about Bitcoin. There's also some bearish arguments to be made about Bitcoin right now. It looks like there was a fake out to the downside here with some strong moves back up. But now we're getting some also fake outs to the upside with some strong moves back down. So right now it is kind of hard to say which direction she might take. I'm kind of leaning more towards shorts, but we'll let it be because there's no clarity right now. Oil is pushing hard, looking for higher prices. And we got the YM selling off this morning as well, hitting a target here that we have at 53,333. Gold was doing good, but she's started to sell off, and now she's maybe going to cut some support here before the VWAP. I doubt it. She probably wants to head for that VWAP. And yeah, we're back here to the NQ now. Looks like it's pushing up a bit.
Hi, Kamal. Good morning.
All right, no paper trading today. Only real trading. Market is trying to head higher, but this red wave is getting thicker and thicker. I'd be cautious with this. Joey's gonna get his TP here pretty soon, probably, if he's looking for that 400 level. Yeah, 30-minute looks pretty dumpy. Can't say we're gonna get too much of a move higher. Joey, how you making out in your trade there? You got about 60 points to go. Hopefully you're still in it. think the market may want to see more downside. Johnny's long on gold. I hope he sees something. I hope he knows something I don't know.
I don't know. Hey, can you pass me the paper, please? Thank you.
What's up, Kamal? Hope you're doing good, brother. I haven't taken anything yet. Smooth. Oh, I thought you took the short. I thought you took it. Oh, what a push. Swing and a miss by the buyers here. We are dumping or pumping, bro. I've been on longs. Oh, you are? Come on. Okay. All right, good to know. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, I was looking at the higher time frames before the session today, and they look pretty. They look pretty heavy. They look very heavy indeed. Here's the 4 hour, like Joey was saying, and we do have a pretty bearish indication here. The red wave is getting pretty thick, and on the 4 hour, the indicator is telling us we could head down into the 27s even. Oof, pretty nasty. Yeah, it looks like it wants to take a move back down. I would agree with Joey on that. But you just don't know when and how she's going to do it. That's the only issue. I think the shorts are probably the better idea this morning. It's going to be patient and wait for anything that looks like a short. All right, we are just kind of chopping this little area here around the 420s. This is an area of support for the ES, so I don't know if they're trying to build a support base here. Possibly could. That would not be the craziest thing I've ever seen. If we break 29,000, who knows? Good morning, says Future Fits. What's up, Future Fits? How you doing, man?
Morning.
So hard to trade this market, says Joey. Yeah, I know. I hear you. I hear you, brother. All right, we swept on the NQ and the ES just now. Let's see if this thing holds up. All right, what are we doing? No follow through to the upside here. It's going to be a tough day for bulls. Tough day. All right, we are pushing to the downside right now. No support here. No support. Yeah. Joey be getting his TP right about now at 400. 400's just got hit. Oil is curving up beautifully. I don't know if there's something going on with the Iran situation, but it is curving to the upside right now. Let's take a look at financial juice to see if there's anything that we should know about besides the 4th of July sale. UK MTO says, have received a report of further incident involving a tanker transiting the Strait of Hormuz. That's why gold is going up. Farage to resign as an MP. I don't know who that is, but it must be important. It was in red. U.S. trade balance actual negative 77.6 billion. Forecast was negative 78, so it's less bad. All right, nothing really we need to know here. All right, babe. Ready to go short?
Yeah.
Go short.
Ready to go short?
Go short. Put your stop loss at 548.
Put stop at 548.
Put your TP at 215.
And TP at 215. 215.
Yeah.
215.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Oh. No, 15, not 50.
215.
Yeah. Oh. 15. You're funny.
Gold's not liking this move today. Iran is asking U.S. to stop threatening if they want to have a solution. Sounds logical. What's up, Fiona? It looks like a red day today for the NQ without major pullback. Yeah. Revolution says maybe 29K today. Yeah, it could be. Could be. I should have obeyed myself, says Joey. Yeah, this is dumping hard. Johnny's in a short right now, too. He's in a short on the NQ. Let's see if I can find that. Is this the one?
Okay, so she has to do squats when she goes short.
Oh, she does?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Did I say went down?
All right, Johnny is short right now on the NQ, long on gold. That gold trade he may not end up doing so well on. But he did do really good on gold overnight. I think he made like $600 on gold overnight. Good for you, Johnny. Good for you, buddy. All right. 215 is coming up rather quickly. She's right around the corner. We got some major liquidity levels at 250 and 275. Might end up getting a little bit of a bounce in that area. I'll tell you when to add to your trade, babe, because you need to, because you got a big account.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you when. Or aren't you long? Mrs. going short, hedging? No, I'm long on gold. What's the reasoning behind that number, 548 and 215? One of my strategies that looks at possible trapped traders, it's spitting out right now a target down to 215 and a target up. A stop loss up to 548. It's just a algorithm I put together with backtesting criteria. 300 has a lot of liquidity, says Joey. Iran is using the U.S. to stop threatening. Iran is asking the U.S. to stop threatening. That would make sense. That would make sense. Add another one, babe, to your short.
Okay, add another.
No.
Oh.
Does she have a 50K account or does she have a
No.
25K account?
She has a 25.
Then just leave her
Oh,
alone.
never mind.
Leave her alone. You add another one.
Okay.
If she wants to, she can. I can't tell her what to do, but I'm just telling you because you have a big account.
Okay. Alright. Just don't do it, Patty. I don't want to risk it. Same places?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, put one of your TPs
Mm-hmm.
at 250, at 260. Put one of your two TPs at 260,
Okay.
and then leave the other one for that 215 area.
Okay.
All right, we're getting that push to the downside here, guys. I wish I could show you on my right-hand screen for those of you who are watching on mobile or on TikTok, but looks like today TradingView is working on their demo trading or paper trading functions. I miss when the market didn't move 500 or more points every day. Really? I mean, you can use minis back then. You could size up on those days. Seems like nowadays one micro can get you wrecked. You do way better in choppy markets than trendy. Yeah, trendy markets could be very difficult as well. As long as it's down, I don't mind 500 plus points, says Evolution. All right. Continuing to see that move to the downside here. Let's see if she'll keep going. ATR is now climbing. I got a 42 on the I got a 42 on the Heiken SG candles. We got the previous week's low there at 275. Let's see if they decide to take that level out. Previous week's low. I might be targeting that. You mean ranging markets? Yeah, chopping markets are difficult to trade. That's a much better strategy. A much better environment, I should say. Looking for this move down to the 215 level for Johnny. And my wife is looking for a first TP at 260, then another one at 215. Let's see if she'll get it. Markets are looking extremely heavy today, so the pops may just fade out. Oil keeps climbing. Above $70 in a barrel now. ES still moving lower. All right, let's see if she'll keep going. Yeah, 320, we're seeing 320. Let's see if it could break the 300s. Let's see if the NQ will break these 300s. Guys, give the stream a like if you haven't done so yet. It'll help us out a lot.
Yeah, I need new shoes.
Hmm?
I need new shoes.
Yeah, my wife needs new shoes. She has a very expensive Payless habit. DSW.
I was gonna say they're $3.99. So.
I think it'd be cheaper just to build a factory for my wife and just hire a bunch of like little Asian people and just have her make them whatever she needs. Or just get you like
Are you on TikTok?
or just get you the next generation.
Are you
Yeah,
on
I am
TikTok?
on TikTok.
All right,
Yeah,
you're
I'm
banned
banned again.
I swear.
Or maybe just get her the next generation 3D printer, which just prints
It's
like
all
anything
about Asian
she could
people.
think of.
Yes. This man.
That would be funny.
Okay.
Joey, are you still short? I hope you're still holding your short, Joey. We said they're gunning for that previous week's low there, guys. Previous week's low is at 275. Thanks for subscribing, Stein. I think that's how you pronounce your name. Stein. Smooth trolling you? I thought you were a short for sure. It says, good call, Joey. Now up 200 points, says Mo. I think Mo's trying to troll you.
Oh my gosh, I'm right there.
You almost got your first
Oh.
TP? You almost got your first TP?
Yeah.
Come on. Don't do the wife dirty. Don't do the wife dirty. Bouge it a little more and you. And don't do Johnny and the wife dirty. Do, 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 do. All right, thank you. She's pushing real nice this morning. I mean, she's due for a pop at any moment, but I'm trying to see if we can take out all this liquidity here under 275. There's a little bit more under the 250 mark, which I think there is. Yeah, there's some levels down there.
Come on, man.
Wife's getting nervous here. She's getting nervous. You got it?
No.
Still. We're at 270. Come on, give her 260. Give her 260. Give her 260 and Q.
What in the messing around?
Give her 260.
Okay, I got the first one.
You got the first one?
Yeah.
Make sure to take off one of your stop losses. Move the other one to break even.
Oh shit. Patty, move yours to break even. Okay. Yeah, we're good.
Hopefully you get this next one. If not, you're safe. It feels nice to be safe sometimes.
Yeah.
How much are you up now?
220.
Oh, that's not bad. Baller.
You're funny.
Johnny's about to kill it right now. Go, Johnny.
I think it's funny when you replace me with Johnny.
Yeah. What would Tori do, says Paul to Joey?
And don't repeat what Joey said because you're definitely going to get banned.
This is so
Yeah.
shopping buddy. Joey says this is so shopping buddy. Yeah, well, you know what's funny is that TikTok didn't give me a lifetime ban for that little
Give it time.
Asian remark that I made.
Give it time. Because I swear, anything you say will be held against you.
me on TikTok? Yes, it will.
Yeah. Oh, goodness. Yo, for real. It's always getting
This got Diddy written all over it, right, Joey? Come on, thank you.
Is this a good morning for me? Like a some I'll give it to you, but give me some good morning. Just something emotional. That's beautiful. Our teenager is very funny. She gets it from her father.
Oh, she's hysterical. She is real funny.
Yeah, she is.
Wow, this strategy that I haven't rolled out yet. You see this one? Look at this strategy I haven't rolled out yet.
Yeah, I saw that. That's why I said like that thing went down.
This M2B. No, I'm talking about this strategy here. This is a different strategy I haven't rolled out yet. That's crazy. I might make
I
this.
don't get it.
Okay, you see how it's following the TPs?
Yeah.
It just keeps getting TP after TP.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I think I might
That's
make
not
this.
good. That's great.
I might make this the
But why am I not seeing that on my end?
because this is a different strategy.
testing it.
Yeah, this is a different strategy. I might make this one the Smooth Trader Concepts backup for people who don't have premium.
I think you should.
Because that's a good one. That's a real good one.
Patty just took hers because,
She doesn't want to play games with him?
I mean, it's doing the opposite of what we wanted it to.
Yeah, well, rarely does she ever move in a straight line, especially if you're in a trade.
Yeah.
She took out last week's low.
But it's
Come
going to
here.
hit the stop. That's what I'm saying.
Come here. Why are you running from me? Don't run from the Lord. Come here. Come here. How you doing? How's it going? How's your dog life? What have you been eating? Yeah? Licking your lips.
And everything.
She's been eating something. She's been eating something.
Oh, and now you know her patterns.
You've been eating something.
You see? You're being more aware of things now, babe. Look at that. Luna's pattern.
You guys ever see that pug that the owner
When
slaps
she
it?
licks her lips. She's because you know she ate something. Like she thinks she's sneaky. She ain't sneaky. Sorry, baby, you were saying.
You guys ever see that pug that the owner slaps its butt and it starts like howling? You never seen it?
No.
All right, let me see if I can find it. I don't know if I can find it. It'd be weird if I can find it. No, that's not it. That was a MILF, a GILF. What is this? No. No, this is not what I wanted. Never mind. This is not what I intended. How about funny pug?
A fight pug?
Funny pug. Good thing it was on half screen because people did not see that. Funny pug.
Go, you sucker. Go.
Top. Let me see.
Come on.
Let me see if I can find that pug. It's so funny, that pug.
Trailer trash. I'm about to beat this thing up. Yeah, go quick when it's the opposite direction. Do your thing. I'm having a great morning. You're ruining it.
Let me see if I can find. Funny pug.
I swear, if you were... Of course you would. It took me out.
You're
Yeah.
you're out of break even?
What?
You're out of break even?
Yeah, I was out of break even.
Oh, you're out?
Yeah. Like, it took me out. I didn't do it manually.
Okay.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna fight this thing.
I can't find him. When I find it, I'll share it on our Discord. There's this pug that the owner slaps the pug's butt and he starts howling like he likes it. It's so funny.
And I have it. I'm gonna give my cat a bath.
Alright?
I'm gonna pray for you, Joe. I really hope your cat's not afraid of the water, because I've seen some videos of that, and I kid you not, I feel bad for the owner. Although I do feel bad for the cat too. Just saying, those claws. Like,
Go back into your short bed.
okay, go short, Patty.
Put your 215 in place.
Same place, 215.
Yeah.
Okay. Listen, sir. Don't get on my nerves. Madam, I don't care what you are. Don't get on my nerves. And then,
Stop.
stop is at,
I'll put it
I
at.
think you said 5 something.
No, don't. You can't have that kind of a stop. But I would say,
No, don't listen to me right now.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is gonna go. It's not. So it's say.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is acting up here. Put your stop at 351.
351?
Yeah. It just gives it a little bit of room to breathe, but
Yeah.
it doesn't overly commit.
You know what? Joey's funny. He's like, he's gonna be pissed. His cat. And he's like, I'm whipping out Emma's? What's,
Enema? Is that what he's saying?
what is that? What is that?
EMAs.
I don't know.
I thought he was gonna give his cat an enema. That's not
Is
a
it
good
like
thing.
a sleeping pill?
An enema?
I don't know what that is.
Yeah. Just not something that you should do to your cat. Don't give your cat an enema.
Oh. Joey's funny.
I'm probably gonna get kicked off of TikTok for that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Oh. I mean, let's be real. They're trying to find anything and everything to get you out. Let's just be real.
Yeah.
I'm so sensitive. There was a word that my husband said on TikTok and they kicked him out for it.
Yeah.
This was like in the beginning, you said? and we told our 11-year-old, and she's like, she understood why, but then she agreed that like this world is too soft. You can't say anything about someone getting offended.
It sounded like that movie Up in Smoke with Cheech and Chong. It sounded like that.
I was about to say, I was like, chill.
Yeah, it sounded like that, and they banned me for that.
Yeah.
That was pretty funny. I hope they don't ban me again thinking I said it again. That would be pretty horrible.
That's gonna be the joke of the day.
Yeah.
Did you get banned for that?
I don't know. I'm waiting for the notice to pop up on my TikTok. I'm banned on TikTok as it is because they think I'm a AI or something.
Yeah.
They keep telling me that I'm showing reproduced content or something. I have no idea what they mean by that. I'm a reproduction of something. How do you deal with your emotions when you're not in the trade that you were preparing for?
He deals with emotions better than I do, if I'm being honest.
To be honest with you, I know what you mean, the FOMO feel.
Yeah.
I fell for it last week and I made a horrible mistake by doing it. But to be honest with you, it's just it's not worth it. You got to talk yourself out of it and just realize that if you missed it, you missed it. Oh well, you either got two options. You sit and be patient, and it may not come up within the next few minutes, but it may come up within the next few hours. If you got the patience for that, then hold off. If not, then just call it a day. Turn off the computer and come back tomorrow. That's all you can do, and that's really what I should be doing as well. But since I'm streaming, I find it hard to just walk away. I have in the past a few times walked away, and I don't think it's a responsible thing for me to do as a streamer. I just need to be more patient, show you guys more patience. But in a nutshell, really, that's all you can do is either two options: either talk yourself into being patient, which is hard to do, or walk away, which is a little easier but still hard. You need to have an accountability person too. Like I have my wife with me. If you don't have an accountability person, it's always good to find someone on our Discord. Maybe you guys could team up with and trade together in our live Discord community, and that way you guys can keep each other accountable. That's a good way to do it. Trading is a difficult sport. It's not meant to be easy, yeah, but it's not meant to be a solo sport. Trading is really meant to be a group thing, or at least
but if you think
a
about
partnership with someone.
A lot of things are team things. Like, this is just my opinion. This is why I think God invented a husband and wife kind of thing, because at the end of the day, life, business, whatever, you always need that partner. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, some people don't have their spouse's support though. Some people had to do it behind their spouse's back, which is sad.
Because you have to learn how to be in a marriage.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I'm saying. We weren't taught.
Yeah.
Our parents.
Some people are not as understanding as you, babe. Some wives or husbands are not as understanding as you.
So funny. That was really sweet to say, but.
No, it's true though.
Thank you.
I mean, I wouldn't have married you if you were any other way. That's for sure. One thing is, guys, if your spouses, your partners don't support your vision, as long as you're doing something about it, you can't just be like, oh, one day I'm going to win the lottery and that's my vision. No, I mean, something that you're actually actively working towards, and you're not being a total degenerate about it. Then you got to talk to that spouse you got. It's hard enough to do this, let alone doing it with somebody who's holding you down.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can get Johnny his 215.
Listen, Johnny.
I'm getting into good books.
And stop going sideways.
Come on, thank you, 215.
Smooth is getting into good books.
Yeah, man. The only books I know how to get on.
Oh, wait, did I just run the paper?
Push it down, thank you. Hey, what's that 215, baby? She might give us a 215 soon.
Go, Johnny, go.
ATRs right now are pretty decent still. In the 30s, mid 30s. ES just gave us a MOAS on a 5-minute, which is gangsta. Damn. Damn, ES.
Good job, Kamal.
Kamal made some moolah?
Yeah, you made it to 6K today. Good job.
Oh, Kamal's a beast. He's beasting.
You're funny.
Good job, brother. Babe,
Yeah.
take your TP here. Just
Okay,
take it.
just close it off, Patty.
Let's take it. I don't like this wishy-washy stuff here.
Yeah, I get it.
We'll look for another better risk to reward trade.
When you feel more confident is what you're
It's
saying.
not that I don't feel confident. It's just that I know that what she likes to do right before going into TP is running stops.
Yeah.
So instead of making you move to break even, I'd just rather you take some profit.
Sorry. Seems so annoying.
It's not bad though. You're up nice.
Yeah, you're.
What's up, Tom?
Oh my gosh, I haven't said that since I was in high school.
Tomasado. Tomasado. I have a friend named Tommaso. I
It's
thought
like
that was him. I was like, is it Tommaso? No, it's not Tommaso.
I swear I feel
Tommaso's
like
not hanging
the
out
kids
here with
listen
us
to my
today.
talk. Sorry if you guys are blinded by this light.
I don't know how my gold long is doing. How's my gold long doing? Yeah, gold's slipping. Gold's slipping. Might be.
Isn't
Might be.
Tommaso that company?
Yeah, Tommaso is my buddy. The one that used to do the paving for us. What's going on, Sam B?
Thomas?
Huh?
Isn't it just Thomas?
This
Otto?
guy's Thomas Otto, but it looked like Tommaso for a
Oh.
second. I was like, Tommaso,
Yeah,
is it him? Tommaso's a legend.
just around. Ay, Dios mío.
If you guys are using Smooth Trader Concepts and you have not uploaded the new version of the indicator, make sure you wipe out the old one and re-upload it. It is jam-packed with new goodies and super good levels. You guys will probably see it today once it fires something off. Rumo, you're long now.
Sandy's
Rumo's
like,
long
"Good
from
morning."
29, 247 long entry, expecting a sharp pullback to the upside. Nice, Rumo. Rumo, I noticed that you like to play the
Oh.
extremities. You like to play the reversals.
Oh, I was talking.
You're the German guy, Thomas Otto? That's cool. That's cool.
Zambi, you missed it. We were talking about Puerto Ricans and Dominicans.
And how they're the same.
No,
Oh, they're different.
exactly.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my mom on the phone and let's see if you say
Oh,
that
yeah?
to her. I'm not gonna lie though, she'll probably say that yeah, there's similarities, but it's not the same.
Yeah. Caribbean women are spicy, man.
Yeah,
All right,
facts.
we got the 215 here soon. Nice, Johnny. Go, Johnny. Johnny about to get his TP. Go, Johnny. All right, I think Johnny got his TP. Good job, buddy. Johnny made some dough on that
Sam B
trade.
said we were definitely different. You see?
I don't know about all that. I don't know about all that. How much moolah did you make on that, Johnny? Johnny made 335 on that trade. 1 micro. Good job, Johnny. 215 got smacked right in the robot cheeks. Good job.
Make our robot cheeks.
All right, good job. Morning Sunday, says Kamal. Thank you, Safe. Growing up, Dominicans were prejudiced towards us, but now most of us are cool. Yeah,
Yeah.
you guys made it work, huh?
Sometimes I still think we are towards each other, but that's besides
You
the
guys
point.
made it work.
Thank goodness.
What a sell-off this morning. Let's see what else is cooking. Is Johnny in any other trades right now? Let's see if he's in anything else. No. He's in a BTC long and he's in a gold long. The gold long might be getting wrecked pretty soon now. BTC long looks like it's got some promise. Oh no, actually no, I take that back. He got stopped out of his BTC, the previous BTC long. I don't know if he's in one now.
You look so cute. I can't say her name. Dang it. My
Yeah, he is in the BTC long right now.
what?
He is. Okay, cool.
Oh, all right, love you.
Yeah, he is in the BTC long. Let's see what happens. Meanwhile, the NQ keeps dumping and dumping hard.
Hold on, babe. I gotta step out for a sec.
Sure. Sorry, guys. 215 already came. Sam B wants 215 again. You good?
Yeah. Oh, excuse me, people. I'm sorry.
Getting a little bit of a pullback now on the NQ. Rumo's expecting a sharp pullback to the upside, he says. Maybe he's right. Let's see. She threw up, baby?
Oh, yeah, she did.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay, Mama.
Bitcoin's pushing. I was just trying to see how other people deal with their emotions. Yeah, I get you, Greg. Emotions are the hardest thing to deal with. I don't know how that works, Safe. I really don't. I don't know how it works. But it does work. For some reason. Sometimes you find the ghost in the machine. Like your cousin ICT says. Sorry, my dog's coughing up a lung.
She's not coughing, that's
She's barfing up a lung. Yeah, a reverse sneeze. My apologies. Should be alright though. Should be better. You'll be alright, Luna. Alright, let's see if gold now is gonna get a move back up. Looking for gold. I think gold got stopped out. Did it get stopped out? No, gold's still in it. Gold is still in it. Okay. Alright, yeah, gold's still in it. You okay, babe?
Yeah.
She threw up again?
No, I gotta help her when she reverse sneezes. Okay, it's bad for dogs.
Yeah, you see what I mean, guys? Like, the candles don't show up. This is so weird. It's very strange. I don't know why the candles are not showing up. All right, gold's coming back up. Maybe we'll get a good trade on gold. We'll see. Imagine having entered short when the downtrend started. Good money. That would have been a nice trade. That would have been really nice. Yeah, that 215 was nice. Got tapped and now it's running away. She's running. She's a running. Yeah. I got 215 on a couple different shots of ours. This is the one that I may roll out for. Let me see. Yeah, let me show you. Let me show you guys something real quick. This is the strategy I'm working on right now that I might roll out for the people that don't have TradingView Premium. Obviously, the people who do have TradingView Premium will also be able to use it. This is kind of like the Smooth Trader Concepts version that doesn't require you to use Delta because it's based on a different strategy. So for anybody that's using it, we'll still get this grandfathered in, but this will be its own standalone indicator later on. So yeah, this right here would have been a nice. I also had that 215 level on this one also. Would have had this short here. Would have had this short here. So 3 shorts in a row, winners. This one was real close to being a winner, but then right before the open, she took a move to the upside here. This was also nice though. This one was a winner. These were winners. This was a winner. This was a winner. This was a winner. This was a small loser. I don't know if you can classify this as a loser because look where she went. She literally crossed over. She crossed over, but for some reason it didn't trigger. This one was a winner. This one was a loser. This one was a nice winner to the dollar almost right there before pulling back. Yeah, some really nice trades. Really nice trades. What happened? Where'd you go? She disappeared. What? That pug is trolling me. That was crazy. Is that my entire tab just disappeared? That was weird. Okay, it is what it is. Are you coming back, Mrs. Smooth? Somebody wanted to know.
Yes, I'm back.
She's back, guys. And better than ever.
Sorry, one guys, thinks about 100 things at once.
These people are not here for me, babe. They're here for you.
No, babe, they're here for you.
I will trail stop at 300 just in case, Samby. Oh, you're in a longs. Nice, Samby. You can't read this market, Joey? You've taken like 10 trades and I'm dead ass at break even on the dot. It's better than being down. Joey says he's here for the bald head. Pause. That's funny. That's hilarious. Behind every good trader is a great woman, or vice versa.
What did you say?
Someone said behind every great trader there's a great woman.
Aww.
For some reason, my aggregator still keeps clocking out. So, Johnny isn't a long on gold. Trying to see if Johnny can get things going here. Come on, Johnny. Make it pop, baby. Joey says, sorry, guys, I shorted. That's why the market's going back up. No, I don't think it was your fault, dude. I think it's partly your fault, but it's not all your fault. Hit my trailing stop at 300. I was 5 points from 320. Oh, yeah. Well, at least you got something on that. It's good. It's a good move. It's a good move, man. Let's take a look at what's going on with TikTok. Why my P&L is not showing on TikTok now. Nothing. Oops, that's why.
I have a very important question for everyone.
What's that, bud?
When my husband and I take our next trip, you guys wanted to go live for the dishes for an hour.
You're gonna say, of course.
Do you want to see his face?
No, that's not why.
Sorry, his handsome face. Also, can you say beautiful to guys, or is that weird?
Yeah, it's weird.
Oh, they can't hear me.
That's why.
I'm sorry. Thank you, Joey. What I was saying was that when my husband and I go on our trip, are you guys gonna want to see him for even at least an hour while we're out? You know. I don't
I said no.
know. They didn't say no. They didn't say anything.
I don't know. I can't get this.
I'm just saying, I always want you to succeed, and I feel like if we do take that time away, it's gonna.
Yeah, it's
the
definitely not gonna be a good
algorithm is
outcome.
gonna say something, so I'm like, I would never want to harm your
YouTube's already mad at us.
business.
TikTok has written us off. So
Well, that's sweet. Joey said if Smooth is gonna stream, I'll be here. See?
yeah, he's. I
See?
can always count on Joey.
Yeah. Trade that open for an hour. Yeah,
Yeah.
I respect that.
Yeah, I don't
See?
know. I don't know what's going on here with TikTok. Yeah, thank you, Joey. Appreciate that. Yeah, we'll try to make it.
Yeah, Sam B said that trade the open for an hour facts.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. You don't think it's because they kicked you out? That's why it's doing what it's doing?
What is it doing? What is it doing?
You said it's not working right now.
TikTok is not showing my P&L for some reason. It's blacked out. Like I can't show it
Oh.
for some reason. I'm trying to erase it and then maybe add it again. I think they're making some upgrades and made things worse.
Kamal said we cannot do without seeing him. No Smooth, no trades.
Yeah, you guys have to see me lose.
No,
I know.
he'll be in video. At least that's what I was thinking when I said that. So that's hopefully you think the same, babe.
Yeah.
That even though we're on a trip, it's still not wrong to, like, again, if you could get the best of both worlds, work
Yeah,
for
it'll
a
be
little
quick.
bit and then have fun.
Yeah, we'll be quick.
Yeah, exactly.
And we still got the weekends.
That too. Samby said make some margarita and money. Oh, margarita money.
Make some margarita money.
Enjoy your time away. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. Aww. Do in real life stream? Oh, do in real life stream. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
So my wife, I was trying to surprise her, but that's no longer the case. She found out.
Don't jinx it, babe, or don't.
She
say
found
it
out.
loud.
It's the truth. I'm hurt. I'm devastated.
I wasn't looking for it, I swear. I swear I was not looking for it. Just popped up in my face.
Mm-hmm.
So excited though.
They don't know where you're going either.
Okay.
But I mean, I don't
I
know
was
if you
gonna
want
say
to
they
say
could
it.
they could find out on your live.
Yeah, you'll find out when we're live. Yeah, stay tuned, guys.
Someone has to be
Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can find out where we're going to be streaming from Honeymoon.
We found out
That's
where
so
we're
YouTuberish.
going. Well, I found out where I'm going.
One of the places.
One of them. The other one I don't know.
Because you're very Snoopy. Snoopy.
Sam B said the views will go up if you trade just showing your feet in the sand.
Yeah, I just show my feet. Yeah, they got me censored all over the place across the board from YouTube to TikTok. E-Mini Badger says 1450 at 50K select funded. I am done for the day. Great job, E-Mini Badger. Do an
Jerry
IRL
says-
stream? Yeah, I will. I will. I
Jerry
definitely
says,
will.
Let's go to Epstein Island.
Let's go to Epstein Island. Too funny. What did you find? Says Joey. She was looking at my email and she found out.
I didn't look at it. It was in my face because you didn't close it. You gotta think like 3 steps ahead, babe.
You guys will be streaming with a cocktail on the beach.
Amen.
Smooth
I don't
feet
even
for the
think my
trading
husband
mommies.
drinks
You're
cocktails.
funny. What, babe?
I don't think you drink anything fruity.
I don't really drink at all, to be honest with you. I
No,
can't
we
hang
don't.
too much.
We'll have like wine occasionally, but it's been months since we've had it. I'm
Yeah.
not a craver for alcohol like that.
Yeah, I could do like one Guinness.
Yeah, and
And
it'll
that's
last
it.
you for a while.
Yeah, and I'm good.
I get it from my mom. My mom is not a big. She thinks it tastes nasty.
Joey says, you got to go to Thailand and find some lady boys. You're so funny, Joey. Exposing lady boys. I'm going to make a whole YouTube channel
Oh,
about
this
it.
is going sideways again.
Checking Adam's apples.
No, I think it'll just show your human side, which I like because it's fun.
Yeah,
Sarcastic because that's all he does, but it's still fun.
sarcasm. Ain't my fault. I was born in the 80s.
No, it's
That's
not
all the
about
comedy?
being born in the 80s.
That's
it's that
all the
your
comedy
dad
I
is
grew up
also
with.
Funny.
I mean,
His dad-
yeah, my dad's funny.
Your dad can't say anything without a joke in it. Not a word.
Yeah, but all the sitcoms in the 80s were all super sarcastic. That's why
Yeah,
that's
that's
where I
it.
got my...
So our oldest,
Yeah.
I think she's sarcastic and she's funny. She was really funny yesterday with her sister. To us it's funny, but some people might think it was just them fighting.
Paul
That's
says,
just how it
breaking
goes.
news. Sorry, baby, cut you off. Breaking news: 2 bombs exploded outside the hotel where French President Emmanuel Macron stayed in Damascus after he had left. Macron is safe. 18 people were reported wounded. I wonder if his husband, his wife, was hurt too.
Yeah,
Hope-
it
hope- I
stings.
hope she's okay.
Yeah.
Hire a lady boy for the stream just to press the buy and sell button. Bro, what is it with you and lady boys, man? That's not good. That's not good. Guys, hit the likes if you wouldn't mind. We're getting some slow moving action here, but it doesn't mean you can take the time out right now. Hit the like button.
Don't repeat that word.
Joey's gonna go short. Joey's shorting right now.
That's not what that.
That's what he mean. That's what he means. Because one of our traders once he's really bad at spelling or typing, one of the two, and he would sometimes say I'm short instead of saying I'm short. He would say I'm short.
That's so funny. My head was somewhere else, or my mind was somewhere else.
New York Fed June year ahead expected inflation 3.7 versus May's 3.5. NY Fed, as per the NY Fed, June year ahead expected inflation highest since September 2023. Well, I mean, it didn't take a rocket science to figure that out with this increased price of oil. Of course, inflation is going to find its way into our economy. But thanks for that, Paul. Done for the lady boys. Oh, Joey's funny. It's like gold's dumping for the lady boys.
Oh, Sam B. Hi. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Take care, Samby. Be good. Who makes better arroz con gandules? Dominicans or Puerto
Oh,
Ricans?
gosh.
Oh, the verdict is out. The verdict is out. I don't know.
So funny.
Arroz con gandules. They're really good. Samby's gonna say Puerto Ricans for
And
sure.
It's not gandules, it's guandules.
And it's not guandules. It's
Like
another
this.
thing that's false.
My mom just tries to be nice, and because he said it, Lewis said it too. Sorry, Lou Smooth said it to my mom, and she's like, "Oh, you can say gandules or guandules." No, it's guandules.
Yeah. No, safe. It's a totally different strategy. It's nothing to do with order flow because you know that our Smooth Trader Concepts indicator uses delta. So since we can't use delta, I created a different way for traders to be able to have good entries and exits. So it's a totally different indicator, which I'm going to mark it as a standalone indicator aside from the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator. But if you guys are a long-lasting or a member of the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, before we roll it out, you'll get access to both for free. Not for free, but you'll get access to both for the same price that you already pay. I'm gonna roll it out probably within a week or two, and I'm just forward testing it right now, and I really like it. It's really good. I did some more updating to it yesterday, and it's working really nicely. Okay, NQ still pushing. NQ looking for higher prices here. How high can she go? Maybe 375? Is Patty trading still live, or is she done?
No, she had to leave. I'm gonna do that how low can you go with you and see how low you can actually go.
What do you mean? Limbo?
Limbo, yeah. See how low you can actually go, babe.
Joey's out of his short. Johnny did really good overnight on gold, but right now she's, looks like gold's struggling to go make a higher high. Unfortunate circumstance last night for the U.S. Trump couldn't get him out of that one. 4-1, Belgium, U.S. Man, it was sad, but they got a good run. U.S. I don't think has ever made it this far. They're a true contender now. I mean, they should be a true contender. I mean, they got so much resources. I think for the next World Cup, they might make it into the quarterfinals. Hopefully, right?
But I was gonna say, since they're not making it to the finals, I just hope Argentina wins.
You think Argentina? I'll be happy with Argentina or Norway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like Messi, and I like the dude Holland. He's growing on me. I didn't know who he was last week, and this week I can't get him off my feed. I don't know. He's everywhere on my feed. He's on my Twitter feed. He's on my YouTube feed. I'm like, this guy, did he just sign a deal with the Illuminati? Because they're promoting him everywhere.
Yeah.
Everywhere. I cannot get away from him.
I don't think you could say that word either.
I could say Illuminati.
You could?
Yeah.
Okay, TikTok won't ban you.
Illuminati got my mind, soul, and my body. That's what Tupac said.
Oh.
He admitted it.
So funny.
Trump is on the phone with FIFA as we speak to reverse the results. I think he is out with us. I think they're going to pull the Trump card again and reverse the score and say it was fake news, the 4-1. I think they're going to call 4 offsides and give U.S. the win with 1-0. But the one goal that the U.S. did make, though, was a rocket, man. That was a beautiful goal. If you guys haven't watched it, it's worth watching the highlights. It was an amazing goal the U.S. made on a penalty kick. Well, not on a penalty kick. It was on a free kick. But it was, man... That kind of goal will bring a tear to your eye, man. That's a beautiful one.
Man.
My client chose to play for U.S. instead of U.K. His dual nationality, Flo Balogun. That's his name, Flo Balogun. Wow, really? He did well for you guys this cup. Oh, thanks, Kamal. Appreciate you sending him over. Tell him we said thank you, man. If he's ever in Naples, tell him to holler at your boy. Take him out for a hamburger or something. He's awesome. That's cool, man. That's really good. I love to see that. You know what's funny is that Naples actually has a major league soccer team, believe it or not. Yeah. And their training facilities right next to the outdoor gym that I go to sometimes. And I see the guys training there sometimes. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. All right, let's see what's going on in the markets right now. If there's anything that we should be keeping our eye on. Looks like what do we got going on here with Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin made a run. Run. Nothing here. Okay. Let's take a quick look at the rest of the map, at the rest of the market. Okay, Mags came right to our target here. This is a beautiful call on the indicator. Calling for this short down to this level at 66.10. Hit right to the dollar. Let's take a look at SpaceX. Let's look at SpaceX on the 1 minute. See if there's anything here. Foreshadowing where she might go. No, nothing. Nvidia right now on the 1 minute did have a target. It still does have a target to the downside here at 190. Also has a secondary smaller MOAS plus here. A MOAS plus, guys, is a secondary MOAS that might come after the main MOAS. So you see this is the main MOAS now. You have a secondary MOAS that came here to the upside, and that one hit perfectly. Wait, I'm sorry. Let me yeah. So for instance, this is our main MOAS. This is the way that the new Smooth Trader Concepts indicator is working. You have your main trade, and then you have subsequent trades within it. So you see here we have a MOAS plus. This is an additional MOAS with a target up here. That target got hit perfectly. Then right here, she came up with another MOAS plus. This one missed the mark. Came here to sweep that area, the support area. It swept the invalidation zone. Right now she gave another MOAS plus, and that one will take us all the way up to here if she does go through. But the main trade is still to the downside. So we'll see if that ends up playing out on NVIDIA. Bitcoin's still kind of chopping sideways, not really picking a direction just yet. Oil looks like it's looking for higher. Oil right now on the MOAS, on the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator is looking for a little bit of a pop here to take out that recent high, 70.46. Nothing new on the YM except for this short here. Still kind of getting weaker and weaker as we go. Damn. Gold can't seem to catch a break here. I want gold to pop because we are in a trade, a gold trade at the moment. Okay. NQ, ES, both kind of still going. They haven't taken out the highs on the ES yet. ES has not made a new higher high. NQ has though. I guess you can call this a higher high, right? Higher than here and higher than there. So I guess NQ is a little bit more bullish. Yeah, but gold is not looking great right now. She's not. Hope she doesn't give back all the profits she made overnight on gold. That would be pretty sad. But it looks like we are getting a move here on the NQ. Might be getting something soon. ES is a POS, says Joey. Are you trading the ES? US made a lot of errors. They lost it for themselves looking for Colombia and Argentina games today. Yeah. Is Colombia playing Argentina today? Yeah, I think they probably are, right? They're already at that point of the... Already at that time of the... Let's see. Argentina plays Egypt today at 12, and then Colombia plays Switzerland today at 4, and that's it.
Still in it? Colombia's still in it.
Yeah, Colombia's still in it, believe it or not. Our neighbor texts us.
Oh, that's nice.
Tough market here. Tough to take a trade here. That booger sugar keeps the Colombians going, says Joey. Is that what they run on? I thought they ran on Duncan. He Nord says he's from Argentina. Che, boludo. That's good, bro. That's good. I like Argentina. I heard great things. My sister-in-law went there with my niece, and they loved it there. My wife is a big fan of Argentina soccer team. I like Messi, too. I think he's the GOAT.
I just think he's respectful and nice.
He's respectful and nice, she says.
And humble.
Good head on his shoulders.
My biggest thing is humility.
Yes. He's just a savage on the field, though. And the goal is... I'm about to get wrecked on gold. Gold is tanking. Joey's long. He's long and strong. Every time Joey says he's going to go in a direction, the market goes the other way. Sorry to hear that, Joey. You're about done? Yeah, I don't blame you. Sometimes the market just... It seems like the market's out to get you sometimes. Some days. I've been there before. You can't do no right. The market's like, oh, you going long? I'm going to dump. You going short? Oh, here we go with the ripper. You just don't know some days. Yeah, like right now, gold is about to wreck Johnny. Take it easy on little Johnny there. Gold. 310 entry, 50 points both ways. What does that mean? 310 entry. You're long on you're long at 310 on the NQ. So at 250 you're stopped out, or at 260 you're stopped out. Yeah, gold got real heavy there. Said gold wants to break 41.50. She's gonna stop us out here, poor little Johnny. She'll still be green for the she'll still be green for the session, but sucks. That trade there could have been real nice for us if it was still going the other way. Johnny hasn't taken any longs on the NQ yet. This says a lot. It speaks volumes. Is it possible we get a pop here on gold? I doubt it. I think gold's going to be dumping. Overnight low on gold is at 41.28. Maybe the market wants to head back there. So we did take out the highs on... Yeah, we did take out the overnight on gold. on overnight high on gold already. So maybe she's heading down for that overnight low. Possibly. Calling it a day. Down 90. All right, Joey. Not bad. Not bad. Some days it's like that, Joey. There was a saying in that game. You guys remember that game, NBA Jams? There was a saying where the announcer used to say, "You can't buy a bucket. Like you can't even make a basket if you paid for it." Some days it feels like that on the NQ, that you just can't even buy a trade. Can't buy a bucket. It's just the way it feels sometimes. Johnny's clenching his little bot cheeks real tight right now because he is possibly going to get stopped here, but the market's moving back up in his direction, so maybe he might get saved. Who knows? I doubt it, though. Very much doubt it. You don't understand the market activity recently? I feel like Khan. I think the market is going into a different, I guess they call it regime. Shorts have been playing out better than longs, which is we haven't seen that in quite a while. So I know that throws a wrench into a lot of things, and volatility yesterday was non-existent. So there's days where, yeah, I know, I understand what you're saying, man. It's just difficult to read this market and understand it. Some days she'll trade better in the overnight than she will in the New York session. This is weird. All your levels that always been respected are just ran through and can't hold? Yeah. There's one constant in the market, which is that it's going to always be different. I think that's the only constant the market will ever offer us. And see if gold will hold here. That would be great for us. And Q looks like it wants to go higher.
Sorry, my focus is back.
You were gone, babe?
Mentally, yeah.
Oh, yeah? We need you here, 100%, baby.
Okay.
Tommaso says, enter long here. I don't know. Doesn't look bad, but it also doesn't look good. Did I call him Tommaso?
Yeah.
Sorry. Thomas Otto. Thomas Otto. Thomas Otto. Thomas Otto is his name. What are they doing? What are they doing? You know, gold's slipping again. Looks like they're about to take out Johnny's here. They're about to take out Johnny. Gold and Yankee are moving very, very much alike today. They're moving in the same kind of pattern and everything. Hey, baby. How you doing?
I got you this.
Oh, thank you.
It's for you, Joelle.
Show her. Come here, baby. Show Joelle. Give her a hug real quick, and then tell her you're sorry. Oh, I know what this is. Thank you, baby. So cute. Read it, and you'll get it. It's that song by Ella, whatever her name is. Ella Langley, whatever her name is. Yeah. What's up, baby? No, not unless we make it to a TV show, and then we have to do karaoke. Yeah, Gold's teasing Johnny here. It's gonna be a tough one for Johnny. I think he's gonna end up getting hurt on this trade, unless some miracle happens here where we get a push to the upside. It's a miraculous event. You heard that? You got good ears. Women have the best ears. My wife can hear me talking about her from the other side, from the neighbor's house. And gold is making it really dramatic for our stop out. She's like, gold's like, will I do it or won't I do it? Looks like a really nasty bear flag that's creating. Market's very sneaky since yesterday, says Thomas Otto. Yeah, I've noticed. She has not had her best interest in mind. You guys ever feel like the market's just out to get you? Sometimes Johnny feels that way. You feel that way every day? That's why sometimes it's good to quit while you're ahead, but it's also bad to quit while you're ahead, because when you're hot, you should keep trading, is what they say. But then sometimes you give it back. Sometimes you give it back and you end up psychologically tilting and just wanting to break things. So it's very difficult to trade, guys. Very, very difficult. I mean, those are the hardest things for me to do, is take a loss after I'm up. That's like the worst. Like, you're green on the day and then you end up giving it back. I mean, I just want to break things at that point. Have you guys ever broken anything from being upset from trading? Have you ever broken anything? I'm going to ask that as a question here.
I mean, I've broken a few things in my time.
What's up, babe? Me? No, on purpose. Like, there was a guy who used to come on here. His name is Kid Poker. He sent us a video of him breaking his guitar after he lost a trade. Yeah, but that wasn't from trading. That was a staged skit we did back in the day. No, I'm just talking about from trading, from tilting. You wanted to break things? Composure?
Yeah, my composure. You smashed. Thomas says when you smashed.
What, babe?
Did you hear?
No, what'd you say?
Not me. Thomas says that instead of breaking something, you mean smash.
I guess. Is there a difference?
Yeah.
Like Hulk smashes and not breaks? Imagine Hulk break.
Fuck smash.
Hulk break. What was your guys' worst reaction to losing a trade? Yeah.
You guys wouldn't think this was bad. I just walked away.
My wife is so good at taking a loss. I'm telling you, it's a skill. I can't just do that. The worst thing I ever did from losing a trade was buying more evals and blowing those too. The market's very, very. The market does not care about how you feel. You can't throw money at it and be like, "Oh, take that, market," and market will be like, "Okay, I'll take it." You will take it, sir. Keep throwing that money at us. Man, poor little Johnny's about to get stopped out on gold. Or at least that's what she wants us to believe. I don't know. Yeah, more than likely. More than likely. I think the verdict is out that the market wants lower. Could we get saved by a few points? I don't know. That's a tall order. Gold seems, oil seems to be pulling back down. Maybe it'll give way for the yen Q and for gold to move higher if oil settles down here. It's a possibility.
Oh, the mic is on.
Your mic's off?
Sorry. Yeah. I'm like, Thomas said your wife is hard to understand, like the mic. And I was like, wait, what? But then it's right. And I don't know. I don't remember closing it. Thank you for letting me know.
Because Thomas Otto is German, so they probably say smash over there instead of breaking. It's probably more of the language that they would use to describe what we mean. Yeah, you smash something. You like. I've heard people break their computers, smash their their mice, like the mouse, their keyboards, guitars. What else? Doors. Kick their cat, kick their dog. Poor animals. I doubt that. But that's horrible. Trading could take a lot out of you, man. It could drive you crazy. Some people that don't want to give up, they just might sometimes be better for them to give up for a little while. Not forever, just for a little while. Like I took a few months off once when I felt defeated by the market. Best few months I could take off. It was a lesson I needed.
Love it.
It was a lesson I needed to take off a few months. Gold might be giving us a little bit of a move. Come on, gold. Oh, gold, you're looking nice and juicy. Keep going. Meanwhile, the NQ is going sideways. Can she take out some higher? Can she make some higher highs on gold? Maybe. I don't know. Sounds like a pipe dream.
I thought you said a pine tree.
Not pine tree, no. A pipe dream.
Yeah.
Ryan Hunter's waiting for a long. What's up, Ryan? How you doing, brother? Joey says he's terrible at taking losses. I start to rethink my whole life. That happens to me too. Dotan says just bought a new computer screen. Oh wow, I guess he went through it also. You know what else is horrible? The NQ, says Joey. And MG says he's on his 55th screen. That's a lot of screens. Kamal says he just stares at the charts and calls the NQ names I never heard before. But when you win a trade, you make up with her? Yeah, I bet. Out on the ES, says Paul. Were you long or short on the ES? And it looks like gold is going to do us dirty. Yeah, gold's coming back down to do us dirty. Do Johnny dirty. I think Luna has learned how to talk, babe.
When she wants food.
When she wants food, she learns how to talk. So dramatic, dude. I thought NQ was dramatic. Gold's even more dramatic. The drama here.
Mm-hmm.
They might be forming some kind of a base here, the indices. NQ and the ES look like they might be forming a base for maybe a pullback up to the VWAP. I don't know. Anything's possible. Did you find the bacon, baby? You found the bacon? Okay. I think adding SpaceX to the Nasdaq helped pull it down today. Yeah, you know, a lot of times what happens too is when everyone's expecting one thing to happen, the exact opposite happens, throwing everybody off. So maybe this was a coordinated move to get everybody to think the market was going to rip today because of SpaceX, but instead it went down.
I'll say this thing is definitely going straight now.
Straight sideways.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Nothing's happening here on the NQ. Oh, good thing it's almost 12. We'll be done with her by 12. Cause
Yeah.
what is this about? Yeah, let's take a quick look at the others. See what how everyone else is holding up. The stock market heat map. Let's see if we can update it. So chip sector still bleeding. I don't see. You know what's funny is I don't see that SpaceX here on the Nasdaq. Maybe it's not added yet. Somebody said it was. She should be one of the bigger squares, but I don't see it. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see it. Maybe I'm missing it, but I don't see it.
Didn't see it.
Mags are going straight sideways. That's why. SpaceX right now looking like it wants to make a bottom here. Nvidia moving to the upside. That's the only thing keeping the markets alive. Bitcoin also looking like it wants to push a little bit higher. Oil is drifting to the downside after taking out this profit target up here at 70.46. YM is still looking soft. Gold is teasing us like there's no tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Teasing poor Johnny.
Word.
And that's about all, folks. That's all we got. Johnny might be getting saved here. I highly doubt it, but we'll see. If gold could break above its VWAP, maybe there's a chance, but no. Only time will tell. They say it may not show up until tomorrow. What's the exposure? I think it's going to be one of the top, if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be like the top 10 biggest companies on the Nasdaq, if not like the 6th or 5th largest company on the Nasdaq, something like that. Last nighty, says Paul. What's a last nighty? You mean last night? South Korea's Kospi index dropped by nearly 5%, led by an almost 7% decline in Samsung Electronics following the company's preliminary Q2 2026 earnings release. MU is down 8% because of it today. Yeah, you know what also I heard is Japan is actually having the most bankruptcies ever. I think they have broken a new record for bankruptcy filings in Japan, which Japan is, I think, the 3rd largest economy in the world, something like that. It's a very, very big, or maybe 5th, something like that. And for them to be experiencing that much bankruptcy filings due to probably inflation and other reasons, that could trickle over to us. I will have my revenge on the NQ one day, says Joey. Yeah, you will. You can get her back, Joey. I know you will. You got to sucker punch her when she's not looking.
You're so funny.
Wow. Poor little Johnny here is like, oh man, maybe I got saved. Let's see if Johnny has looked to see and take any other trades. Actually, look at that. He is in a short. He is in a short. Johnny is in a short. I'll show you guys in one moment. All right, so he is in a short on the NQ. I'm not sure if that's the right move, but he is in a short. Let me see if I can find it. So Johnny is in a short on the NQ at the moment. I'm not sure if he's gonna win or lose this trade, but we'll see. Things are looking rather pumpy at the moment, so he might not win this one. Arthritis in your fingers?
No, that's a fact.
What's up, baby?
My mom has arthritis in her fingers.
Paul said he had arthritis in his fingers. That's why he writes sometimes incorrectly.
Oh. No, that's true. That does happen.
Trying to see if we can get gold to break above 4160, the VWAP. If it does, then Johnny has a good chance. If not, Johnny's done for. What's going on, Margaret? How are you? How's it going, Margaret? Oh, poor Johnny. NQ's pumping a little here. That MV wave is kind of tapering off. Longs might be re-entering the building. It's funny, how is gold going down and NQ going up now? All right, NQ's ripping. We got a stop loss at 381. So if she goes to 381 here, Johnny will be out of his short trade. Yeah, this looks pretty pumpy. I wonder if gold's gonna follow. Gold is doing all right. All right, Johnny might get stopped here. Good push, good push. Nothing yet though. They might want that VWAP. Bitcoin's moving much higher. All right, this looks like a really good push to the upside here. They could be trapping these shorts down here below the 280s where we just went. But we'll see. Yeah, how's gold going down but the NQ going up? Did he want to take both my stop losses? I'm currently long on gold, short on NQ. Yeah, it looks like they're doing the opposite right now. Both of them. Juan Guillermo, what's going on? You long on the MES? Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, you know what? The ES does look really good on the 5-minute. And it looks like they're going to start pushing this thing to the VWAP. Hopefully they take gold along with it. Gold is doing the opposite right now of the indices. It's funny because they were following each other all day, and now they're not. So Johnny's gonna get stopped here.
Oh, dang it.
You're not in the trade, are you, babe?
No, no.
Oh. Yeah, she's been going sideways for a long time here. So is now the time for her to rip to VWAP, or are they still going to sell more off? More than likely the push to the upside here is likely. All right, Johnny's going to be out on this short here soon. Johnny's stuck between a rock and a hard place here between the gold and the NQ. Thomas Otto is long on the NQ now. GPL Star says NQ depends on the tech stocks, while gold depends more on interest rates and geopolitics. Sometimes both move same direction, sometimes opposite. Thank you for that. All right, gold is about to get... Johnny's about to get stopped on gold. Damn, Johnny, why do you do you like that? Gold trades better at night anyway. I have noticed that. It'd be funny if they stop him on gold and the NQ. That would be something. Joey says, and now it pumps. I don't know if the pump's going to continue, but it has started. Going for the gap at 403, says MG. Johnny's going to get stopped out of this gold trade here in a moment. He's about a few ticks away. Getting very close there, but no tap yet. All right, he's out. Johnny's out on gold. Unfortunate, but he had a really good night, so he's still green on gold.
That stinks.
But he got stopped out in that last gold trade. Hopefully he doesn't get stopped out on his NQ short too. Yeah, looks like the market wants to go higher.
Okay.
Looks like the market may want to go higher here.
Yeah. I still feel like it's going sideways, but that's just what I'm seeing for
Yeah.
1 minute. I'm probably wrong.
Yeah, looks like Johnny gave back that entire proceeds from last night to today. That sucks. On that gold trade. No, that was a Bitcoin. Never mind. No. I was wrong. He didn't get back everything. He just lost his last NQ trade though. I think he's still up. He's still up for today. Yeah, he is. Yeah. He's still up on gold. Not by much. He's up just barely under $100 on gold, but it's better than being down. And he did just lose that last trade on NQ. Did he? Well, he's right up against the stop loss right now. Will he get stopped out? I think he will.
Oh, they're gonna sneeze.
No, I'm just looking at what it looks like. Oh, he still hasn't been stopped out. But he will soon. Yeah, after this trade here, guys, more than likely to get stopped out here. I'm calling it a stream. Did we get to our like goal? Our like goal was 50, and we got 32. If you guys can hit those likes before I go here,
Yeah.
get up to 50, we'll do a Smooth Trader Concepts indicator giveaway. Oh, Johnny's still holding on by a thread. We got a trap long here. Yeah, here come the buyers. Here come the buyers. VWAP's probably where they're trying to get up to if they do end up making a higher high here. It's more likely they want to go to VWAP if they do continue going. Yeah, take care, Joey. See you tomorrow, brother.
Have a good one.
Here comes the stop out for little Johnny. Go the other way, Yankee. Go the other way. Go the other way. Thank you, so dirty. There it goes. All right, we're out of it. Say a prayer for you guys before I go here. Father God, we thank you for this day, Lord. We thank you for the opportunity today to provide for our families, Lord. We thank you for this life that you've given us, Father, for the breath in our lungs, Father, and the ability to be here and listen and watch, Father, and learn and grow from our mistakes, Father. Lord, I know that we're not perfect, and we ask you for forgiveness, and we repent for our sins, Lord. And I ask you to be close to everyone in this community, Lord, everyone who knows you and everyone who has not come to know you, Father. I pray for them all and their families. Lord, I pray for anyone in this community who is going through a hard time financially. Also, people who are going through a hard time, Father, right now in this community with the basic needs, Lord, just the basic needs such as food, shelter, maybe a place to stay, Father. And I pray for anybody who is going through that kind of a difficult time right now, Lord. I know that you'll never leave us, Father. You're always putting us through the fire, but only to refine us, Father, not to break us. So, Lord, I pray that everyone here, Lord, always turn to you whenever they have hard times and when they have good times as well, Father, and give you all the glory and all the credit. Father, I also pray for you to keep us safe until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. Thank you, guys, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Hasta la vista. Take care. Oh, wait, before we go, if you guys want to check out the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, make sure to go ahead and hit the link that's pinned in the chat or in our bio. You can get 7 days for $7, and after that, if you want to check out the best deals on prop firms right now, we have the Smooth Trader Prop Firm Matrix. You guys can choose between Apex, Trade Day, Tradeify, and Lucid, all running great deals right now. And if you want to trade crypto, like I do with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other meme coins or altcoins, whatever you want to trade, you can use BTCC, which is my preferred exchange. They'll give you $30 just for signing up and verifying your ID, and they will then give you up to $10,000 in bonus rewards for just making deposits, and they'll also give you bonus rewards for trading up to $30,000 in value. So that is a great place, and you don't need a VPN if you live in the United States. So use the links that are available in the profit matrix that's pinned in the chat. And I thank you guys for being here, and we'll see you again tomorrow morning, guys. Take care. God bless.
Have a good one.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this smooth trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked. So stop reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below, get instant access, and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.